When visitors come to your house, the guest room says a lot. You do not need to turn it into a hotel, but please do not punish your guests with the oldest, weakest mattress in the house. A guest may not complain openly, especially in Nigeria. They will just wake up, smile, and say, "I slept well," while their waist is telling a different story. Today, let us talk about how to set up a simple, comfortable guest room. 1. Start with a good mattress. Your guest may be young, elderly, light, or heavy, so the mattress should be comfortable enough for different body types. A balanced medium or medium firm mattress is usually a safe option for a guest room. Do not use a mattress that has already lost support. If it is not good enough for you to sleep on, it is probably not good enough for your guest either. 2. Use clean bed sheets. Fresh bed sheets can change the whole feeling of a room. Choose bed sheets that are clean, breathable, and comfortable. Nobody wants to sleep on dusty or rough bedding after traveling. Even if the room is simple, clean bedding makes it feel cared for. It tells your guest, "We prepared for you." 3. Add good pillows. A good mattress with a bad pillow can still ruin sleep. Keep at least 2 comfortable pillows in the guest room so your guest can adjust based on what they like. Some people like 1 pillow, some like 2, some need more neck support. Giving options makes the room more comfortable. 4. Use a mattress protector. Guest rooms are used by different people at different times. A mattress protector helps keep the mattress cleaner and protects it from spills, sweat, and stains. It also makes maintenance easier. After guests leave, you can wash the protector and bed sheets, air the room, and prepare for the next visitor. 5. Keep the room simple. You do not need too many things. Make sure there is ventilation, a place to keep small items, and enough space to move around. A simple, clean room is better than a crowded one. If possible, add small touches like a side table, clean towel, or power socket access. Comfort is not always expensive. Sometimes it is just thoughtful. 6. Do not use your worst mattress for guests. Some people move their bad mattress to the guest room and buy a new one for themselves. But if the mattress is already sagging, smelling, or uncomfortable, your guest will feel it. A guest room should not be a dumping ground for rejected bedding. It should be a place where someone can rest properly. Winco has mattresses, pillows, bed sheets, and mattress protectors that can help you set up a comfortable guest room without stress. Visit a showroom or check wincofoam.com. Subscribe for more sleep and home comfort ideas you can actually use. Until next time, sleep well, live better.